Welcome to Life with Marion and Joe, and today we're going to be working on a fall vignette for the bay window. It's a great way to show your neighbors some fall spirit, but if you don't have a window like this, you could also do this on the inside just to create a nice fall vignette for yourself. So the first thing we need to do is put some light on the subject here, and I'm going to do it old school way and line the window with lights using Scotch tape, and I chose white this time. The next thing I did was Scotch tape leaves to the bottom of the window. Now I gave it some motion. I wanted it to look like the wind blew the leaves up into the corners and then down. Just don't put it straight across the bottom because that looks kind of elementary. So you want to give it some motion. Next thing was this apple or tomato basket here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these zip ties to put some branches together from the yard, and I'm going to zip tie them to here to make it look like there's a tree growing on the side of this basket. And there you can see right there what it looks like when it is in place. Taking a look from the outside now just to make sure that everything is in its proper place. Next, I took some leaves that were on a vine from the Dollar Tree and wrapped it around the branches. Now I added some green grass carpet across the front so that I could start layering in some leaves to make it look like they pushed up against the baskets. And once again, outside to check my work to see if everything is looking the way I want it to look, and yep, it's okay. Building on our scene, I put in a little apple basket and I floral wired it to the branch of that tree, and I put a little pumpkin there to give it a little tilt. I filled it with gourds and some pumpkins. I had added in yet another apple basket and I put a couple of pumpkins stacked up on the side there. Next in was the Scarecrow. I floral wired him to the basket and to the tree because I don't want him going anywhere. So now I've really built my scene. I've given it dimension by layering in additional pumpkins and leaves and branches and whatnot. Okay, so we're looking at it from the inside to the outside. Let's go around and see what it looks like from the outside. And there you go. There's my fun fall window, and I think it came out just the way I pictured it. It really looks like a old-fashioned fall vignette. Hey, thanks for stopping by. I'll be seeing you really soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.